In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Insignia TV remote control. It's very easy, so let's not lose any time. First step, unplug your Insignia TV from the wall socket. Once this is done, turn around your remote control, open the lid and remove the batteries from your Insignia TV remote. Turn your remote around and you will need to press every single button on it very hard, at least 3 times. Sometimes one of these buttons is getting stuck and this is causing the issue. If one of these buttons is stuck, the whole remote control will not work. And since we don't know which one of these buttons is the issue, that's why you need to press every single one of them. It may take you 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Go ahead, even these one down below, you need to do it. Okay, then once this is done, put back the batteries. I always suggest you use brand new batteries in case these were the actual issue with your remote. Plug back your Insignia TV into the wall socket. Power your Insignia TV using the button located on your TV, not the one on the remote. And then go ahead and test the actual remote and see if every button is now working. Now, a quick way, if this didn't work for you, to know if your remote control is actually sending any signal to your TV is to take your smartphone, open the camera app on your smartphone, point the remote control towards the lens of your phone, and press every single button once. I know it's hard to see in this video, but usually, let me just point it towards this camera. You see, there's a red light that appears. This is the infrared sensor. You cannot see this with your naked eye. You absolutely need to use a camera to detect it. So do this for each buttons and make sure this sensor is lighting up every time you press the button. This way, you know for sure that the remote control is working and it's not the remote control the problem, it's actually the TV. You can also get a universal remote control if any of these tricks didn't work for you. I'll put links to Amazon in the description down below. If not, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.